Liberty Holdings is a wealth management group established by Donald Gordon and is currently active in life and health insurance, related insurance.
Yeah, we mentioned Donald Gordon, but that's like how many decades ago? I think I must rewrite these intros. It's linked to the Standard Bank Group though, and of course it has Stanlib one level lower, but the core business has been a little bit of a market share loser in recent years to the likes of Discovery and others with regard to life insurance products anyway in this country.
Market cap 32.9 billion rand, price to earnings ratio of almost 8, dividend yield here of 6.2%. So you mentioned Stanlib, Thabo Loti obviously going from the helm at Stanlib to head up Liberty when Bruce went to Old Mutual, Bruce Hemphill that is. What do you make of the group, and can it reinvent itself?
Well, it has reinvented itself relative to 6-7 years ago when they had a proper issue with equity markets going down and they wrote options and they took a significant knock. So in that sense, they've done the hard work. But now, is it exciting enough? As Paul mentioned, they lost some market share. If you look at the results to the end of June, still relatively low margins compared to their competitors. Sometimes they get the pricing wrong, and that when they win market share, it's actually to their own detriment, which is what you don't want in a life insurance company, the wrong market share gains. So once again, one that...
Well, let's look at the share price before you call this one.
Quite a noisy set of numbers recently with some stuff I couldn't really make head or tail of, write-downs and readjustments, so it just seems to be battling a little bit. And on the plus side, they are looking at a Stanlib and Liberty property fund being launched, which could unlock a little bit of value.
But that value is for policyholders, and that's an important point. That's very exciting, but it doesn't impact you as a shareholder. It's the policyholders that would benefit from that. So because of that, from a shareholder's perspective, not hot.
Not hot.
Yeah, I'm going to pass on this one too. Also, given the fact that it's got that exposure in terms of its bond portfolio to any uncertainty at the national level.